Creative block sucks, but it happens to everyone. So here are the best ways to get unstuck. You open your laptop ready to dive into a new UX project, and then nothing. No ideas, no flow, no inspiration, just a blank screen looking at you. Yep, we have all been there. Even the best product designers hit that wall. But here's the thing, your creativity isn't gone. It is just waiting to be unlocked. So let's unlock it. First big challenge, coming up with ideas. You're designing an e-commerce app and the problem is reducing returns. Just 2 words, but a big problem for the business. You look at the screen, feel stuck. So where do you start? Option 1, try the how might we framework to see the problem differently. Don't jump to solutions. Start with the better questions. How might we help customers pick the right size the first time? How might we set a clear expectation with product details? How might we make returns less likely in the first place? Asking good questions help you focus so you're not just generating random ideas, because a good questions leads to a better solutions. Option 2, brainstorm with colleagues. A 1-hour brainstorm with your design team can unlock ideas. No filtering, no overthinking, just put everything out there. Healthy, bad, wild, it doesn't matter. The most creative ideas come when you let yourself be free. By the way, you can also invite developers to the session. Option 3, look outside your industry. What if the best solution for your e-commerce app isn't e-commerce at all? Gaming nails engagement. SaaS streamlines complexity. Fitness apps build habits. Take their playbooks, remix the key parts, and unlock fresh ways to reduce returns. Option 4, set crazy limitations. Constraints inspire creativity. Higher limits lead to sharper ideas. For example, how would we reduce returns by eliminating the product image? Or what if you can only tweak the visual design? No new features. Limits force sharper thinking. The most creative ideas come when you work inside the books, not outside it. So now you find smart idea and play with the screen in Figma. But like copy and paste, you repeat the same user flow again and again without finding another way. Block hits again, but don't worry, here is how to pass it. Option 1, review how other apps solve it. Analyze how top apps solve similar flows. Look for patterns, interactions, and structures that work well and adapt them for your users. At the end, you don't need to reinvent the wheel for every design. Option 2, use the crazy 8 technique. Take a piece of paper or a tablet, set a timer for 8 minutes, and sketch 8 different layout ideas, 1 minute per idea. Don't overthink. This rapid iteration process forces your brain to explore fresh possibilities. Option 3, start with the edge case. One trick to improve flow is to design extreme cases first. What happens when a user sends 2,000 emails? Or if they enter incorrect login details 10 times. Solving edge cases first can shift your thinking and give you more options. You have nailed the flow, but now the UI feels boring. Colors don't pop, and remember that everything needs to pop. The layout feels tired and nothing looks quite right. Instead of clicking on the computer reset button, do this. Option 1, navigate to Dribbble, Behance, and Mobin. Taking a look at designs can spark fresh ideas. You are not just looking, you are learning what makes it look great. Look at why it works, then apply these principles to your own design. Option 2, design in black and white first. Removing color forces you to focus on what really matters: hierarchy, contrast, and spacing. If your design works in grayscale, it will shine even more in full color. And when you add color, make it pop. Option 3, redesign the same screen in different style. Take a single screen and redesign it using another app's visual design. Get their design system, use their components, and rebuild the same screen. You will see the magic. This trick pushes you out of your usual patterns and shifts your thinking somewhere new. If you are still stuck, walk away. No, seriously. Step outside, listen to music, or do something completely different. Coffee? Always a great option. Your brain keeps working in the background. And the best ideas, they show up when you are not even trying. So there you have it. Real strategies to beat creative block at every stage of UX design. Where do you get stuck at most? Idea generation, UX flow, or UI design? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more UX design tips from Log Logets.